Hello traders, it's Nikos here, and I just want to cover two issues. We have the GBP CHF bounce trade on the daily charter trade we are looking at since last week. We waited for the first red candle so we could trade a bounce trade on this daily chart. And the way we usually do it is we wait for the first red Heikin Ashi candle. Now some brokers, depending on what time they close, you can see that there are differences on the chart. So some candles are red, some close green. And what you can do if you trade bounces on the daily or 4-hourly chart, you can compare 2 or 3 brokers, like open 2-3 demo accounts and then compare. And if you see like on 1 or 2 brokers you have 2 red daily candles closing and 1 is still green, then you can use the red candle for your short entry. Only for daily and 4-hourly charts, of course, and there are other ways to enter bounce trades. Anyway, it is just a tip in a case you have sometimes trouble finding your first red early candle, because what happened on different brokers like Alpari, we had only green candles up here, and the first red candle was a big one down here, and that was too late for a bounce trade. Okay, now you don't have to do it, it's just a tip for bounce traders. And of course we will cover bounce trading a lot soon in a live room session that I will hold for everybody for free anyway. So okay, that was that, and a red candle we had here after the price hit the previous highs on this chart. I took the short with a stop over the high and took out my first and second lot, and the third lot is still running, the third part of the trade. My target of course will be that line here for now, and in extension the 1.43 42 area. In case of course the price moves up or bounces on the 36 on the daily chart, I will watch very closely, because we have daily 1, 2, 3 long setups still here. Okay, the shorts are not really confirmed, only the bounce trades, but the whole or the main trend on this daily chart is still long. Now I will trail my stop to break even. That's a win-win situation, and then we'll see what happens here. That's the first thing. The second issue I want to share with you is a very big swing trade or position trade made by Leonardo from, I think, Italy, or yes, Italy. And Leonardo has taken this trade, I think it was, let me check, in September, October 2012. That was last year, on a daily chart, and he's actually managing this trade on the weekly chart. But he sent me his daily chart and analysis and a request, which I totally understand. So let me read that for you. Nick, I have seen over 3,300 pips profit on my position trade, which just a comment is a lot. Okay, the last week, and I'm not sure if I can wait much longer. Can I close the long trade now, or do I have to stay in longer? It is over a year now. I did not watch my charts over summer, but now that I like to trade a little bit again, I would be pleased if you could give me your advice again. Thank you so much, and I hope you don't mind me asking again. I was relaxed, but 3,300 pips is a lot, and I want to take out my remaining lot now. Many regards. Okay, now what we always said, and I mean, first of all, that's a very great and powerful trade. 3,300 pips with a stop of, I don't know, 150 pips or something. That is great, and the patience Leonardo had here is perfect. And I have to say that Leonardo is a quite new trader, and he has not he's not carrying a lot of bad, let's say, luggage. He has not lost a lot of money. So starting with higher time frames, trading on daily charts right from the beginning is what he knows, and that's why he was able to stay in the trade for so long. And that is always something I like. If new traders start, they don't know anything, and when we start on higher time frames and we just focus on big swing trades, and they focus really on the rules and the targets they have, then trading can be really easy. So again, Leonardo, well done, don't worry about it. Here you see on the daily chart what we said back, I think January, yes, we said, okay, if we get a 1 2 3 setup below here and you have a short signal, then you get rid of your longs. But it didn't happen. The price went up again, bounced again. You could draw your line here like you have on your chart, and the price went up and up and up. We had also a range, and we had 1 2 3s on the daily chart pointing down, but now you had your new support line, and the weekly chart looked still very, very long, because after that big 1 2 3, which is a weekly 1 2 3, Leonardo started to manage his trade on the weekly chart. Okay, a range, price came out, and of course, yes, yesterday he saw 3,300 pips, and it's not easy to hold that position. And I know you want me to say, okay, close everything, take out the 3,000 pips or whatever, but still, really, I know you will hate me for it, but and it's great that I can share this here with all the traders. I would still stay in, right? Get rid, I know you can do that, of half of your remaining lot. That's what I said in the live session today as well. I would just take out half of the remaining position, and then you lock in over 1,500 pips. Okay, and even if overnight for some reason, which won't happen, but even if it goes down to here, you still keep 1,500 pips for sure. Okay, and as long as the price stays on the daily chart over the 36, I would not touch it. You can start looking again if the price creates a 1 2 3 below the 36, and then you can also watch your weekly chart again. So I know you want to come out, you want to trade. You can trade on other pairs. There are other pairs you can watch for new, you can look out for new setups. I would just leave it open, take out half of the remaining position. That is a powerful, wonderful trade. It's like really absolutely crazy. It's not easy to do, having the patience to hold the position for over a year, but still, my advice is stay in as long as you get higher highs on the daily chart and higher lows. Okay, so I'll see you in the live room again. Good luck with this trade, and bye for now.